Alright, so I got new, just recently discontinued corner lights. I got both sides. They're super nice. So I'm gonna have to pull out the guts out of my other ones, the bulbs and everything. But that should be easy. So first thing, as you can see on these corner lights, you pop your hood and there's a screw. You can see on mine are starting to break. So the driver's side and passenger are starting to break here, and then there's a bolt down here that's starting to rust. So just unscrew this and then you can pull it out and unplug it. So I'm going to pull both of these out and then I'll show you putting the guts from this one into the new ones. Yeah, and then I'll have corner lights that, you know, don't have a bunch of cracking on the tabs or in the light area. All right, give me a minute. All right, so I got the light out. You know, there's a screw on top. That's really it, and you just pull it out. And then you plug it in here. So these are pretty easy. You just turn them, and then it comes out both sides. This is like soft plastic, so you can just pull it up and pull the wire out. This plug area is the hardest part to get out. I already got it out, but I kind of broke it. You can kind of see the crack down the middle a little bit. So there's this little nipple area right there that goes in this hole. I used a pick and shoved it down. Sorry. So as you can see, you can get a pick right in there, right down in there, and then pry it up. Mine broke a little bit, but these are old. You can see they're already damaged. You know, the bolt's rusted. This top tab is broken, so that's why I have these new ones. So I'm gonna pull this harness off the turn signals. I'm gonna clean it up just because it's kind of dirty and nasty. Then put it on the others and I'll show you what it looks like. All right, so I cleaned up the plugs the best I could. Looks a lot better. Rerouted it in. So all you gotta do is plug it in and then put the screw here on top, back in when it is in the little area, right? So from here, you just plug this plug into the back, you know, and the screw goes in the top here. Make sure it locks in right in this little groove. As you can see right here, this is the part that locks in to the groove and then where the screw goes. So let me put them in and then I will show you what they look like. All right, so I was able to get it in. I had to push it in a little bit. You can see where it locks in the tab in the bottom. It screws in up at the top. This side, it's a little darker so you can't see in there, but the screw on the top. Let's see. So that's what that side looks like. And that's what that side looks like. So two brand new ones. So hopefully that helps to be able to take the harness off. I got some other stuff on the way.